Hi, and welcome to another edition of TraderCast's Daily Market Report. We're looking at a euro dollar in multiple time frames, daily, 4 hourly, hourly, and 15 minutes. So daily time frame price action appears to be capped by this already noted 26 area or a level, which is very close to our falling 50 period moving average, and also a cluster of these lows. So the daily time frame is still making the sequence of lower highs and lower lows, and yet again the current price action is a result of a verbal intervention by Mario Draghi and ECB during the press conference on Friday. So the big sell-off, you can see that price was pushed into this 26 area. You can also see it here in an hourly as well. And there was loads of rejection, big kind of a selling activity took place in this area as well. And then finally we broke this sequence of slightly higher lows, which was playing up nicely and creating this oversold bounce back continuation pattern. And the selling kind of intensified after the loss of 25 level as well. So our 15-minute time frame, it's fairly telling of that price action with moving averages crossing over. So looking at all of the time frames, the trend is still fairly embedded and sentiment is quite bearish. So let's go into the charts and see if we can identify some levels. This is a charting in 1 hourly time frame again. We could see that our oscillating indicator stochastic is crossing over from oversold levels, potentially indicating that some oversold bounce backs are possible. The cluster of this previous lows and also closing prices created these two support trend lines, also pointing to this area here, which is 2440, 2450, which is close to the 20 period moving average in an hourly as well. So previous low, rising trend lines, and also moving averages all pointing to this area of 2440, 2450 as a potentially very significant resistance area. So bearish players would probably be looking to either sell into that zone as long as there is no confirmed breakout higher, and if the selling occurs at that level, then potentially they would be looking to retest further downside support, therefore partial take profit areas at 23.55 followed by 23 even. Only confirmed loss below 23 could potentially target 22 over the coming days or weeks. Alternatively, if the price breaks through this 2450 with some conviction and then we come back from above to retest it as a newly found support, then the obvious upside resistance is at 25 followed by 25.15 and 25.75. These areas would also be seen as a good and logical stop loss areas for anybody who's looking to play this on a bearish side.